Parasite SEO. This is the result of my Parasite SEO work. For these green ones, these are the ones that are indexed by Google. I have tested and they are indexed. This one, if I copy, this is index. And when I search on the incognito, uh, it has AI overview, and though for this one there's no this one Google site link. There's a Google site link, and also if you search for this keyword, this Parasite SEO is in the top ranking, page one. This one. So it also targets shorter keywords, and also the other one, if you search for this, it's also in the page one. This one, and also this one. For this long tail keyword, there's a AI overview result, and the link is in the top ranking. Also this one, and yes, the AI answer is show up, and also in the you see this one. This I believe this is the same link. Yeah, yeah, 8A492, 8A492. Yes, this is one. This is the page that I created, and if we search for this one, oops, okay. How many homes Rob Hurtado sold in Pleasant Town? For this one, there's no AI overview available, but Reddit. Uh, if I copy this one, I believe this is the link. Uh, so it is indexed and show up in this search. So if this is just some example, a branded long tail keyword. The brand is Ralph Hurtado, and if you create lots of this, so if your potential customers ask to Google AI about your business, and your parasite pages will show up. And also for this long tail keyword, you can use this one, Parasite SEO. Long tail keywords without the brand. So I have yet to test this one, but for the branded keyword, it works fine. That's it. Thank you very much.